sin for us. He died so that we could live. And he's coming again so that we can spend all eternity with him. The priority of Christ. I say it all the time, don't I? Christ was nothing, equals everything. Only thing without Christ equals nothing. The Bible teaches us he's all that we have. He's all that we need. He's our salvation. Hebrews 2:9-4. He's our security. Romans 8:29-34. He's our serenity. Philippians 4:6-7. He's our stability. 1 Peter 2:2-9. He's our strength. Philippians 4:13. And he's our supplier. Philippians 4:19. If I need pastoring, he's Jehovah Rohi. If I need peace, he's Jehovah Shalom. If I need protection, he's Jehovah Nisi. If I need provision, he's Jehovah Jireh. If I need pardon, he's Jehovah Mikadishia. If I need a position, he's Jehovah Rapha. If I need purity, he's Jehovah Sisikanu. If I need a place to abide, he's Jehovah Mishkan. He's everything we need. Focus your eyes. The songwriter said, turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will go strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. He's the good shepherd, he died for us. He's the great shepherd, he lives for us. He's the chief shepherd, he's coming for us. And so scripture teaches us our eyes should be on him. Why? I'm glad you asked. You asked intelligent questions. In him we live and move and have our being. And apart from him, we can do nothing. He's the source of our life. He's the sustainer of our life. He's the very substance of our life. We need Jesus as a priority. Now notice this, and I'm going to go ahead and let you get on out of here. Because what you find is, he clarifies for us. What does it mean? Seek ye first the kingdom of God. The plan of God.
I thank you in advance.
How I know I have him as a priority? Because I have this plan and program as my priority. We study it on Wednesday night. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. The word church is in the book of Matthew 3 times. Can anybody guess how many times it's in the word kingdom is there? No. 119. Don't start counting. We're going to go there. 119 times the word kingdom. You think it's an important word? Oh, yes. What does that have to do with bottom line possible? Okay, I will, but you can get it out. Okay.
Purpose.
The sovereign rule and reign of God. He said the kingdom of God is in you. Why is the kingdom of God in me? Because the king is in me. And the king brings with him his kingdom. And I am just an ambassador. So what's an ambassador? Ambassador, we're ambassadors. You know that already. You know that already. Who are we? We came in here. Why? Because this belongs to God up in here. This belongs to God up in here, up in here. When we come in, we are kingdom citizens. And this is where we come as ambassadors. We represent another place. That is, we're from heaven for real. And we represent heaven here on earth. And so we come here, and this is our weekly place for that ambassador place. Embassy. This is our embassy. This is our embassy. And we come here, why? To get instruction from the king. To go back out into the world and be an ambassador. To take heaven to earth. To take heaven so that we can get it out of here. That's who we are. We're coming here for the kingdom agenda. We're the kingdom agenda. And so here it is. Let me just bottom line. Say bottom line, Pastor. Yeah, bottom line. Who's the number of watching? Who's the first person I saw have this shirt? If you were to the events. And it said, in God we trust. And back when it said, all other blood. You've seen that before. So he came and said, you may be